Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Sherry, and today I have the second part of my planner haul. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with these accessories, and I got all of this stuff from the Ultimate Planner sale back in, I want to say it was like the middle of January. I'm already thinking of warmer weather, and these are actually my first planner clips, and I'm so excited to show you. So first, I'll show you the ones that I opened already because I was just too excited and I couldn't wait to put them in my planner. So I'm going to zoom you in just a little bit so you can see them a little bit better. So here I have this clip set. They actually came together, this cute little mousse and this cup of hot cocoa with the cinnamon sticks in it. It's really cute, and I do like the color clips that go with it. So I got that, and all of the clips here that I got, the planner clips, actually come from the Sparkly Crafty shop, and she is a Canadian-based shop. And then I got this cute little unicorn. My daughter's obsessed with this one because I don't know what it is right now, but all of the girls her age, and she is 9, are super obsessed with unicorn, and she pretty much got everything unicorn for Christmas. So really like that one. And those are the 3 that I've already opened. And then I got this one here for Valentine's Day. Again, it is a cup, maybe hot cocoa with some marshmallows in it. I thought this was really cute. And then to go with it from my planner, I also got this coffee cup, and there's little hearts that says smile and XO and things like that. So those 2 I got for Valentine's Day. I did get, for spring, I really love this little bear. I think it's a bear. Looks like a bear. If I'm wrong, please correct me. In the flower pot with the little petals around her head. She looks so cute. So I got that one. And then I got this little bear with the, I think it's a bee costume with the honey pot, which is really cute too. And I do like the way she wraps these. And then there's these little cards in the back that says, "You are totally awesome," which I think is a cute little touch to the packaging. And then for spring as well, I got this little bunny inside of this the cup and plate. I cannot speak today for some reason, I don't know why, but with the cute little bow, and that is actually a little gem right there. And then it comes with the another clip, but this one here, let me take this off so you can see better. It's like the butt side of the bunny. Isn't that cute? And I do like the yellow and the plaid, so that looks really cute. And then since it's still cold here in Delaware, I went ahead and got this cute owl that looks like it's sleeping with its eyes closed, and the scarf, so that was cute. And then as a freebie, we got this, let you get back and focus there, okay. As a freebie, we got this macaroon, which I'm probably gonna go ahead and use with my coffee cup and my hot cocoa. Oh my goodness, for some reason I cannot talk today. So that is everything that I got from the Sparkly Crafty shop, and she is super sweet. Really love the little addition that she's added to the order. So that's everything from Sparkly Crafty shop. The next thing I got was from Very Cute, and I told you guys in one of my previous videos that I've been super obsessed with character stickers and icons. So this one's from Very Cute. It's a Quiet and Teeny hand-drawn planner stickers, and on here she has Very Laura and her handles for her shop with all these cute little planner accessories and planner on her business card. So let's go ahead and open that. And so that's her business card. She did include this little freebie. It is from Bella XO Planning, and this cute little mouse. This one says kill me now, no spend. And I really love this because, like I said, I'm obsessed with character stickers right now. So I got that one, and then she added this cute little freebie from her shop. Very cute designs with a little planner, some planner stickers, coffee, cleaning supplies, a meal, a little label there, or appointment label, not today. So, and then I picked up these soda bottles. No, they're not bottles. What am I talking about? Cups. The soda cups. I also went ahead and picked up these cute popcorn because my husband and I, we love movies. It's one of our ways that we love spending time together. We love going to different movies and stuff that are coming out, especially like superhero movies. And then I got this cute little girl with the 2 buns with the Etsy button, which I thought was really cute, and I don't have any, so I wanted to add that to my collection. And then I got the film roll with the edit on there and the print, so when I do my print and cut. And then I went ahead and got the fries, so whenever we eat out, whenever we're being bad with our diet. And then upload, the little computer with the upload, and a camera that says record, and then a silhouette for printing, or cutting, not printing. So that's everything I got from Very Cute Designs, and I'm definitely going to be purchasing more characters and icons from them because, like I said, I'm obsessed, and I really love the way she does her kawaii stickers. So the last shop that I purchased in the Ultimate Planner sale, I did make a part 1 to this video. Some of the shops took a little bit longer to get to me than others, and probably because they got a bunch of orders, so some of them took a little longer, and I didn't want to wait to film the first half, so I went ahead and filmed what I already had. So now that I have everything from the planner sale, this is the second half, and then whatever I purchased from the PBC sale, I will make a video for that one as well. So this one is from Chic Blossom Print, and that's just her logo there on her business card. So I went ahead and got 2 kits, and I'll show you the little freebies. This one is from Chic Blossom Prints. It says Ultimate Planner Sale on it, exclusive freebie day 2, and it's got this large laptop on there with a cute little bow right there, and then this panda's doing laundry, grocery shopping, sleeping. This is just like a little label here, and then another box here, a me time box. And then she did include this MP Designs Co. freebie, the Ultimate Planner Sale freebie, and it says this full box says I love you to the moon and back, which is really cute. It has the crescent moon with the flowers on it, and these, you got these little flags here, and the teardrops and little tiny flags. You have nail polish, cleaning supplies, money bag, a planner, which is really cute. I don't normally see planners like that on stickers. And then a coffee cup, a laundry basket, and dishes. And then she did also include from Chic Blossom Prints this black and white one, which of course will go with pretty much anything. And then you have the panda here that has Etsy, the panda with the Instagram, and is that Instagram? Yeah, it looks like Instagram. Another planner with Instagram. There's large coffee cup here, a bill due, a habit tracker, a scallop label, and then an appointment label in a bow. And, oh, sorry, in a Monday through Sunday. All right, so those are all the freebies. Let me go ahead and get in the kit. And this first one is called Springtime in Fall. But I'm probably going to use it in spring because I really do love the purple is my favorite color. So when I saw this kit, I was like, yes, I have to have it. So I really like that she included glitter headers in here. You have these 2 different purples, and then you have a gray and a black. And then you have your functional page with page flat heart checklists, habit trackers, bill dues, a full box that says don't forget to fall in love with yourself first, which is probably something that we sometimes struggle with. So I thought that was cute to add in there. And then I really do like these page flags up here at the top. Nail polish, cleaning supplies, little flags for if you have the old Erin Condren. And then 2 half box labels, not labels, but like appointment labels, a planner, and then a bunch of other, you know, icons here. The movie marquee, which I really like the silver, and I do like her balloons here, and the glasses. I really do like those glasses. And then you have some headers down here. So, and then you have all of the, this is your second functional page. You have your half boxes, your additional washi, some appointment labels, some more flags, Hello Weekend banner, and then you have some scallop labels, your Monday through Sunday, and then some more icons. And then look at these gorgeous, gorgeous full boxes. Okay, I really love it, and the paper is really nice. Matte, I'm a huge matte fan. I'm not too keen on glossy, but I'm thinking about trying it again to see how I feel, because there's some shops out there that only sell glossy, and I would love to buy from them shops, but I'm not really a big fan of glossy. So we'll see. I think I have a couple things carded right now that I may be purchasing soon, and I'll give it a go. And then if I just really don't like it, then I just won't buy them again. But so that's the full boxes and some half boxes, and then you have your little things, some flags here, some flag washi, I think, you know, because some people like to put this on the weekend, some 3-heart checklist, and then you have some more labels down here. And then here is your ombre heart checklist and some additional washi. And then last but not least, you have your bottom washi, which I really love how dark this black is, and then contrasting with the white on the date covers. Then you have your date dots there, a hello, spring, and then some bow separator header type of things. All right, so that's all from the fall, springtime and fall kit. And then the last kit that I got from her was sale exclusive kit, and I love these colors, guys. Love them. Look how beautiful. Let me zoom you out just a tiny bit. Look how beautiful this corally color is with the black and the whites. I love it. I love anything black, white, and a pop of color. So the first thing you're going to see is this sampler here with the weekend banner, the scallop labels, your YouTube buttons, and your Etsy. And then you have this freebie with all this beautiful deco on it. Love that. And then this kit is called Orchid Beauty. Isn't that beautiful? And the box, full box here says different is beautiful. So that's your full boxes. You have these little ties here and some quarter boxes, and then you have your little things, your headers, and your Monday through Sunday, your habit trackers, your bill dues, another weekend banner. And these kits are big enough that you can make multiple sprays out of them. And what I like about the little things is that they're solid colors, which most little things are, but you have a lot of solid half box and stuff like that that you can pull in other sprays with similar colors as well. So those are your half boxes and all your little things, your bottom washi, and some additional stackable washi. This is how large this page. Let me see if I can count. So that is 1, 2, 3. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pages. 9 pages. You can definitely pull this into multiple spreads, especially if you are a white space planner. So you have some heart flags. Then you have your icons here, some additional flags here, some more flags to clean, to buy, to go, and some quarter boxes, some more flags, and some more flags. As I say, guys, you can pull this into anything. I mean, you can do multiple spreads. That's what I mean to say. Then you got your Umber Heart checklist, your quarter labels there, and then some more icons. You got Target, Me Time, some more pandas over here, another movie marquee, more me time, some laptops, some smaller laptops. You got some script there, planner, groceries, laundry, glasses. And then you have 2 sets of date covers, and so you can do this over 2 weeks if you want. Another full box that says, let the beauty of what you love be what you do. So, and then canceled, rescheduled, another full box here, some more appointment labels and some bow headers. And then last but not least, look at all of these glitter headers. And like I said, I just absolutely love these colors together. The different corals, different shades of corals, and light pink, corally pink. So I really love this kit, and I am so happy that I picked it up during the Ultimate Planner sale. So I will be getting some more things in, and I did order from Printpression, pretty sure that's the name of the shop, a pocket traveler's notebook. So I'm kind of nervous a little bit because I've never had a traveler's notebook, and I'm using it to be my on-the-go planner. I was using the mini recollections, but I wanted something that I can add more sections to. And I'm also going to be not only as my on-the-go planner, but as my gratitude planner as well. So I cannot wait to get that in the mail. Unfortunately, I don't think that's coming until March. Hopefully sooner, but it says March when I ordered it. So, and then I've ordered some other stuff to go in it, and when I get that, I'll do a haul. But like I said, I'm nervous because I've never done it, and it, you know, kind of looks like there's a lot of work to put into it if you really want to decorate it and organize it the way you want. But I'm ready for a challenge. So, and as I continue on this planner journey, I want to keep trying new things to see, you know, what I like and what I don't like. So I hope that you enjoyed this haul today. This, again, is the second half of the Ultimate Planner sale. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.